Lorex has a wide range of high-quality MPX-based security cameras. The LBV2561U is a bullet-style camera made of white polycarbonate. It can be installed indoors or outdoors, and both vertically and horizontally. The 2561 delivers an enormous 160 degrees field of view, which is ideal for backyards and expansive areas. Let's see how to install the camera onto an exterior brick wall near a backyard patio door. We will be wall mounting the camera using a standard exterior PVC junction box available from your local hardware store. Included with the box is a round cover plate and a black gasket to seal the junction box from the elements. We will need to drill one hole in the cover plate big enough for the wiring and one hole on the back of the junction box. Using a 3/4 inch spade bit, drill a hole in the cover plate and the junction box. The next step is to attach the camera to the cover plate. Thread the cables through the hole and situate the camera in the middle. Use 3 self-tapping screws or the supplied screws to secure the camera base to the cover plate. The camera is now firmly attached to the plate. On the brick wall, a hole has been drilled to accommodate the supplied MPX Siamese cable. Both video and power are supplied with the conjoined cable. 2 wall anchors have been installed to hold the junction box. Attach the junction box to the wall once you have threaded the Siamese cable through the back of the box. Connect both the power and BNC video connector from the camera to the Siamese cabling. Now temporarily put the black gasket onto the outside of the box to hold it in place. Gently spool the cabling into the junction box. Attach the black gasket in between the cover plate with the camera and the front of the junction box. Make sure the screws go through the holes in the gasket. Tighten all 4 screws. Now that the 2561 is firmly attached to the box, we can adjust the angle and direction the camera is pointing. Loosen the collar around the base and position the camera for vertical alignment. Retighten the collar. Use the supplied Allen key to loosen the set screw to adjust the horizontal angle of the camera. Tighten the set screw once the camera has been rotated into place. Another set screw on top allows you to adjust the angle of the camera relative to the brick wall. The 2561 has such a wide field of view, we can adjust the angle to point well into the middle of the yard without a fear of missing the patio doorway. On the other end of the install, simply attach the yellow coax connector to the DVR. Connect the power connector from the Siamese cable to the supplied power adapter. The camera is now fully connected and powered. Turn on the DVR. The 2561 has a very wide field of view and delivers excellent video images capturing almost the entire backyard. At night, the camera switches on the 12 infrared LEDs to illuminate the patio and surrounding area, and the split glass design keeps the LEDs from reflecting onto the lens. The LBV2561U is another camera in the large Lorex lineup of high-quality MPX bullet-style cameras, delivering great imaging for all your security needs.